Markwood. And the very first delivery, aerial, but goes for boundary of the bat of Yashasvi Jaiswal. And a slog sweep to welcome him to Test cricket, which goes for 6. Big sweep again, aerial. And goes all the way. So 12 runs so far. Down the track, down the ground, through covers. This is brilliant from Yashasvi Jaiswal. 13 of that over. India 35 without loss.
Beautiful down the ground. At the moment, Yashasvi Jaiswal, the only thing on his mind is, should I hit a boundary through the off or should I hit it through on? See the 34 in his first 3. It's going to be 4 more, I'm afraid. Don't think he's in complete control. The ball's probably got a mind of its own while he's bowling at the moment.
No.
Oh, Rohit Sharma, just heaping further misery.
No.
I spoke too soon. As a drag down, it brings up a wonderful stroke-filled, exciting half-century from Yashasvi Jaiswal in just 47 balls. What a bright talent this young man.
Short delivery, hammered away for 4. That is a lovely shot, lovely work with the hands and the wrist.
Brilliant. His use of the feet today has been wonderful to see. There's a leg slip in now. Slip leg, slip and short leg. And he'll just knock it off for a single to stay unbeaten and cap off Murali Karthik. A lovely evening for Yashasvi Jaiswal.
Yeah, absolutely no jitters at all for that young man. He walked out confident with his chest puffing, and that's the
first ball. And the challenge has been taken. Second ball. Couple of bounces and over a straight long on for 4. What a start to the day. Don't these young men want to see a ball or 2? Oh, he's taken him. What a start to this second day's play.
Not enough control there. The one thing England wanted, Jaiswal's back early in the day, and that's exactly what they've got. Can't take root lightly. Plays a nice little knock of 80.